Hi, I'm Karena Poke, CEO and founder of Let Us Live. We are here today at Four Corners Community, and we've had an opportunity to partner with Amazon and Commissioner Kennetha Wiggins. When they approached us about building a community garden inside of a park, it was a no-brainer for us. We knew that the community would get involved. They have a YMCA here, and so kids will be able to be involved. The seniors will also be able to get involved. And so Amazon put over 100 employees in this garden to build it. We put in over 1,500 volunteer hours, and we accomplished something so huge in a small amount of time.
We have a great partner in Amazon. They just opened a fulfillment center here in the area, and they were looking for ways that they could give back to the community. We reached out and found Let Us Live. They're out here providing all the expertise on how to do a community garden and bringing in all the vegetables and wildflowers. And we've reached out in the whole area around the park. And the feedback that we have from the community has been just tremendous. Everybody is just in love with the idea of having a community garden. And it's actually things that you can be proud of your community.
We're really excited to be planting several different foods. We have kale, lettuce, several different vegetables, and we have our team out here planting a garden and building some tables, and we're really excited to add some great things to this park.
This is a blessing to the community to have a community garden, which would have people to come out and enjoy themselves, sit around, plant flowers, harvest the goods.
This was a great experience for us to be able to come out here and build this garden. It was good team bonding for our team, right? We were able to spend time together, get to know each other. So hoping to leave our mark here with the community and continue to integrate has just been a phenomenal experience so far.
I really thank Let Us Live for giving us all of the direction that they did give us and making sure that they worked with us every day. They were staying here late nights with us to try to get this finished. So I appreciate Let Us Live 100% for helping us get this done. So awesome project.
So if you are a corporation, a community garden, or a decision maker, and you're looking to impact your community, call Let Us Live so that we can partner together to build a community garden in your neighborhood.